A month of surprises.
I am ready to be your mugu.
Now it's a thematic campaign that we launched to surprise our loved ones, give them unexpected surprises, and we also expect our loved ones to surprise their own family members and friends.
Good afternoon, ma. Yeah, what would you like to do?
But even at
It will fluctuate. It's on now. Do you want to call? Let me try calling him now.
Whoa! Congratulations, man. That's good stuff.
I know you.
Madam, what happened to your line? You lost your phone. Yesterday. Before yesterday.
Unlike a unicorn, oh, really don't get me wrong. See, no string attached. I go buy you diamond.
It's your husband that registered it on your behalf. What's his name? That's the only person that can retrieve it. Where is he?
My husband. Yes. Don't travel.
That's the only person, because that's the name that reflects here. So he's the true owner of the thing. So he's the only one that can retrieve it. Man, can I have it, bro? But before I go, let me give him my like face cap. This is from MTN. Take this for your new SIM. You can recharge it. Alright, yeah. Yes, sir. So, are you ready to play? Stay on this side. Stay on this side. Come and be rooting for mommy. All you have to do is just pick any one of these, and if you spin and it gets to it, you're going to win wonderful prizes from MTN. Guess what you picked. So be very careful before you pick. Bollywood.
Spain.
Spin. You have to spin it. Spin it well, oh. Spin it well. Have you finished? Tried. Okay, because you didn't win the grand prize. Let me give you a t-shirt for some money there.
I spend my money every day on top woman.
Are you ready? What do you pick? You pick first. You have Nigeria, you have international Africa, reggae, under music.
Let me go for Nigeria.
You want to go for Nigeria, the Nigeria Guyana? Let's go. This is your spinning, eh? Your spinning week, oh. It's right. It's right. No. Let's go. Spinning well. All these people are spinning weak spinning.
Tell all the girls, stop to the judgy mama. Where them be there, where we be there. Pumping and jumping.
He picked UEFA. He picked UEFA. La. It was this close. Okay. I want something nice for him. Okay. Come and be our first winner. Real winner. All you have to do is pick any one of these. And when you spin it, if what you picked is what the arrow is on, then you win a very big prize. Do you understand? Just pick anyone and spin. Hollywood. Let me help you. Okay. Spin. Pray first. Ah, scissors cleaning. Hollywood has passed 10 times. Ole. I'm going to give you a 750 card.
Thank you.
And this.
Thank you.
Okay, and you had one of your ambassadors, Sultan, in the building today.
Yeah, it was cool, and everybody felt delighted. I mean, it's the first of its kind. People didn't expect to see him. It's part of the surprises we had today, you know, being the first month of November. So we have our brand ambassadors all over the country, you know, serving the customers and then delighting them with goodies and all that.
The season package is something very lovely. It's a surprise one. Surprise package, you don't have to start unleashing everything like that, but yeah, we're just going anywhere. You need to just keep your eyes open and keep your ears open, because you might just see any of our MTN people, you know, surprising you somewhere with wonderful gifts. Wonderful. In fact, if you know how much recharge card I gave out there, it was crazy. They didn't expect it. You know, someone just came to register the line, and they, you know, went home with 1,500 naira recharge card. We're like, okay, thank you. You know, so we're just surprising people. We might be in your boss, we might be anywhere. We're just coming for you. So it's an MTN November to remember.
Girl, this your roundabout.